Hi everyone. This video features bubbles arranged in rows. They are easy to knit in just 2 rows. With 3 paths with bubbles. You can form these beautiful relief stripes that alternate with 6 rows of stockinette stitch. To begin with, we need an odd number of loops and hooks thicker than usual. The first row is on the right side. After the edge stitch, knit 1. Then we form the bubble with the next loop. Pull up a long loop between the first and second stitch, make a yarn over loop, pull up a long loop again, and knit 1. Again, knit 1. Pull up a long loop, yarn over, pull up a long loop again and knit 1. We formed a group of 4 loops. Keep repeating this pattern until the end of the row. The second row is on the wrong side. After the edge stitch, purl 1. Then get to the right hook this group of 4 loops. Knit 4 loops together through the back. Again, purl 1 and knit 4 loops together. Purl 1 and knit 4 loops together. Keep repeating this pattern until the end of the row. We can create bubble paths by knitting just 2 easy rows. Depending on the application, we can repeat them as many times as necessary. This stitch is perfect for making ribbed belts at the bottom of a garment, at the beginning of a sleeve, or around the neck. Mohair yarn is well suited for this stitch and works especially well for warm winter sweaters, whether knitted in wide horizontal stripes or any other combination. I hope you find this stitch useful in your next project. Please tap the like button if you found the video helpful. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and enable notifications so you never miss a video. Click the icon of my Etsy Knit Not Space Shop or the link in the description below the video to see my knit creations and get them for yourself or as a gift. Thank you for being a part of this. And I am excited to see you soon.